Always, whenever you feel that I'm a little bit fast, wherever, then immediately tell so. Yeah. Yesterday, did I give you the definition of law of constant proportion? No. Did I give or did I not give?
Yes, sir, you give.
Yes, sir, you gave.
Yeah. Write down. The law of constant proportion or definite proportion.
Sir, I think you gave.
Yeah?
Yeah, you gave.
Pardon?
Sir, you gave.
Yeah, I gave. Now I'm giving to give you once again the definition. Write down. It states that whenever elements combine, they do so in a fixed proportion by mass or by atoms. From there, please write down. Those students who did not write it down, please write down. Law of definite proportion or law of constant proportion states that whenever elements combine, they do so in a fixed proportion by mass or by atoms. ठीक है? एक एग्जाम्पल दिया था मैंने कल. Yes or no? I gave you one example. What was the example which I gave you?
The H2O water.
Okay, yeah. Then I want to give one more question, one more point. Write down. I will do this question. Then afterwards you will do this question. अभी मैं जो पढ़ा रहा हूं वो है रियल केमिस्ट्री, रियल पार्ट जो डेफिनेशन के साथ पढ़ाने वाला हूं. जो स्कूल के अंदर पढ़ाते हैं वो डिफरेंट होगा, वो ही बताऊंगा. दैट आल्सो आई विल टेल यू. ओके, लॉ ऑफ डेफिनेट प्रोपोर्शन. एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूं. एग्जाम्पल क्या है? देखो स्टूडेंट्स, the example goes like this. An element A and element A has atomic mass equal to 12. An element B has atomic mass equal to 16. Okay. Now, in India, Prakash performed an experiment and found that 1200 parts of A combined with 1600 parts of B. In UAE, Abdul performs the experiment and found that 1.5 parts of A combined with 2 parts of B. calculate the ratio by mass by which the elements A and B combine, and also determine the formula of this compound. In India and UA. Please write down this question. Once you write down the question, put on the chat box that you have written the question. So, shall I do the question? If you have written the question, India, UAE. Shall I do it?
Yes, sir.
Written the questions, all of you? Okay. OS.
Yes, sir. Finished.
OS. OS.
Yes, sir.
Written.
Yes, sir.
This is OS or Rakshat? Not done. Okay. Abdul.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Written.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
एक्चुअली मैंने सोचा था कि फर्स्ट डे जब मैं क्वेश्चंस पूछा था, आप आंसर कर रहे थे, तो मैंने सोचा आप सब थोड़ा फास्ट पकड़ेंगे करके मैंने स्पीड बढ़ा दी थी कल. अब रेहान लिख लिया?
यस सर.
और कौन है? ओएस लिख लिया बेटा? ओएस. ओके. A is to B. A is to B by mass. What is the ratio? By 1200 parts combining with 1600 parts. 1200 is to 1600. कहाँ? इंडिया में. अब्दुल ने परफॉर्म किया और देखा 1.5 पार्ट्स कंबाइन कर रहा है 2 पार्ट के साथ. ठीक है. अब 0 0 कट गया. 12 is to 16. ठीक है. राइट. तो मैं काट दूं. कॉमन फैक्टर क्या है? 4. 4 3 जा 12 जा, सॉरी 4 4 जा. ये हो गया 3:4. इसको मैं 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूं. 1.5 into 2 2 into 2. तो यहां पर भी 3:4. इसका मतलब रेशियो बाय मास सेम है या डिफरेंट है?
सेम.
सेम. सो कंपाउंड सेम है या डिफरेंट है? सेम.
Same, sir.
When ratio by mass is same, that means the compound found is same. Write it down. In India and UAE, the compound formed is same. Why multiply by 2? Why? Because now you tell me, OS, what would you like to do? ऐसा करें? Simplify करते हैं. ठीक है, OS, इसको एक और simplification करते हैं दूसरे वे में. दूसरे वे में करते हैं इसको. कैसे करें भी बताओ? 5 into 0.3, 5 into 0.4, right? Wrong. OS 1.5 को मैंने 5 से डिवाइड किया तो 0.3 आ गया. 2 को मैंने 5 से डिवाइड किया तो 0.4 आ गया. तो 0.3 is to 0.4 is nothing but 3 is to 4. ये ठीक है, राइट? सो दोनों जगह पे 3 is to 4 आ गया. तो रेशियो बाय मास सेम है तो कंपाउंड सेम है, राइट? सो पहला पार्ट हो गया. कैलकुलेट द रेशियो बाय मास बाय विच एंड ऑल्सो डिटरमिन द फॉर्मूला. So ratio by mass is same, therefore compound is same.
Sir, this 1200 parts and 1600 parts, sir, what are these parts?
Parts means by weight.
Okay.
Parts by weight. Okay. Parts by weight. Okay. Parts by weight. लिख लिया?
Yes,
Delete कर दूं? Please
Okay.
tell me whether I can delete or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
OS? Okay, no, wait, I'll wait. That's how you should be. Yes, OS, what you send me the message, correct. Now can I delete? I'm going to delete. No.
Okay.
Oh. Little bit be fast, please. Don't delay me further because I waited more. Now I'm going to delete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, क्या है भाई? A का 3 part. A 3 parts by weight. Combining with B 4 parts by weight. What is atomic weight of A? Atomic weight of A is 12U. What is atomic weight? Atomic weight is the weight of an atom of the element. Those students who have joined today, for their purpose, I am repeating. Ayush and other students, I hope, please don't mind me. I am repeating it again. Please wait. Is it okay, Ayush? I know you are too quick in understanding. Okay, I'll have to wait for the other students. Okay, Ayush?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, what I'm saying is atomic weight. Is that weight? Is the weight of an atom of the element. तो 12U का मतलब कितने atoms? 12U of A is equal to 1 atom of A. अब ये parts by weight क्या है? Parts by weight also means U only. U only. 3 parts combining with 4 parts. Parts means U. Now, tell me, if 12U means 1 atom, 3 parts means how many atoms? 1 by 12 into 3, which is equal to 1 by 4. Right or wrong? Right. Now, B atomic mass, what is it? 16U. Now, 16U means 1 atom of B. So now 4U means how many atoms of B? 4 units of B means 1 by 16 into 4. 1 by 4 atom of B. How many of you understood till this part? Raise your hands. How many of you understood till this part? Rakshit, Oves.
Sir, I understood, sir, but that raising hand option, I'm not able to press
Okay,
it.
fine. Oves? Oves? No. What have you not understood? Oves, can you just put on your microphone and speak to me? Because unless and until you tell me what is the problem, I cannot. It is the first day you are attending. Am I right? Oves. You are attending for the first day. Atomic weight. Okay, okay. I said 12 atomic weight is the weight of 1 atom of element. Atomic weight of A is 12. That means 12U means 1 atom of A. Therefore, 3U means 1 by 12 into 3. That is equal to 1 by 4. Is it okay? In the same manner, 16U means 1 atom of B. Therefore, 4U means again 1 by 4 atoms of B. Now you understood? So now A is to B by atoms. What is the ratio? By atom. How many atoms of A? Tell me, how many atoms of A? 1 by 4 atom of A. How many atoms of B are combining? 1 by 4 atoms of B. Right. Now tell me, can 1 by 4 atom exist or 1 atom exist? 1 by 4 atom exist or 1 atom can exist?
1 atom.
1 atom can exist. So can I multiply both sides by 4? Multiply by 4 both sides. If I multiply by 4, 1 by 4 into 4 is to 1 by 4 is to 4, which is nothing but 1 is to 1. That means 1 atom of A combines with 1 atom of B. So the compound formula will be what? A1, B1, which is nothing but AB. Which is nothing but AB. Right? Right?
Yes, sir.
OS, I want answer from you also. Rehan. All of you
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Yes.
Abdul,
Yes, sir.
please answer me.
Okay.
All of you should answer me. Okay, students?
I understood.
Next. Can you go to the next one?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. Now, can I give question to you people? Can I give a question to you people? Okay. Write down.
Sir, one doubt, sir. What is the last ratio which you did? Like
1/4 is to 1/4.
Yes.
Multiplied by 4, both sides.
No, sir. No, sir. What is that ratio of?
1 is to 1 by atoms.
Okay.
So number of atoms of A is 1, number of atoms of B is 1. So A1, B1, that is equal to AB formula.
Okay, sir.
Good students. Very nice. All of you should ask me like this. And as I said, Ayush, what did I say on the first day?
So that we should ask questions and learn.
And also you should argue.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Don't accept just like that things. And I am going to ask you a few questions within few minutes. I'm a little bad person. I ask too many questions in the middle suddenly. Now in the beginning, I will say, okay, children, everything written. I am seeing whether how many of the students are observing carefully. And I want to check up how many of you use the common sense, etc. properly. Now, tell me, what is this? What is this? Number of atoms of A or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And what is this? Number of atoms of B or not?
Yes.
How did I get it? I find here number of atoms of A was equal to 3/12 and number of atoms of B was equal to 4/16. Now tell me, common sense, what is 3 and what is 12? What is 4 and what is 16?
Parts by atomic weight.
Atomic mass.
3 is mass given or number of parts by weight given. Do you agree
Yes,
or you
sir.
don't agree?
Agreed.
OS, Rehan, do you agree or you not agree? Agree or not agree?
Yes, agreed.
I want answer. OS.
Agree, sir.
OS, yes, good. So number of parts by weight. Now what is this? Atomic mass?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Atomic mass and atomic mass. Atomic mass. So can I say number of atoms is equal to weight given divided by atomic mass? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Good. It is number of atoms, sorry, weight of the element given by divided by atomic weight. Okay. Now, ready for the question. Right now. I again put it for those students who by chance would not have written. Have you written all these points? Abdul,
Sir.
कहाँ हो यार तुम?
Yes, sir. Yes.
मिटा दूं?
Okay, sir.
या नहीं? OS,
Okay,
can I
sir.
rub? Okay, I'm going to rub it. Now, write down an element X atomic weight 32 combines with another element Y with atomic weight equal to 16. It is found that X and Y combined in the
Sir,
ratio. Yeah,
so is it X and Y or A and Y?
sorry, X and Y
Okay, okay, sir.
by mistake. X and Y combined in the ratio 12:18 by mass. What is the formula of the compound? मैंने already ratio दे दिया. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Can you do OS? कर सकता है OS?
Yes, sir.
या OS कह रहा है या विहान कह रहा है? रेहान?
Sir,
अच्छा. रक्षित?
Yes, sir.
X is to Y by mass. पहले लिखो, फिर क्वेश्चन करो. Yes, students. After doing the question, please say you are done. Sir, Math IIT, I don't know who is there on the online. Do you have a group for this art, sir? Do you have a group for this?
Yes, sir.
Is it possible for them to send what they have written, what they have done to you, and then you can forward it to me for me to check up?
Okay, the copy of their notebooks.
No, whatever they have written now in this question,
Okay.
because I'm sure there are 2 students I don't want to name them now. They will immediately do it. I know it.
Okay, okay.
And
Okay,
I
sir.
want to see whether they have done it or not correctly.
Okay, I'll check and let you know, sir.
कर लिया? मेरे को पता था कि तुम कर लोगे करके आज जल्दी से. मैं उसीलिए मैंने बोला कि तुम ना पिक्चर लेके मैथ आईआईटी के सर जो उनसे हैं उनको जरा भेजो व्हाट्सएप में, अगर तुम्हारा व्हाट्सएप है नंबर पे. ठीक है? आयुष कर दिया ना?
Sir, I'm sending now.
मैं ऐसे ही काम करता हूँ. मैं जब भी कोई क्लासेस लेता हूँ तो मैं बच्चों को बोलता हूँ सॉल्व करके इमीडिएटली तुरंत भेजो मेरे को. ओएस कर रहा है? ओएस रक्षित कर रहा है?
Trying, sir, trying.
ट्राई कर रहा है? क्यों आता नहीं है क्या? मैं करूं क्या? रिहान, अब्दुल, हो रहा है? हो रहा है अब्दुल? देखो मैं करूं ये वाला क्वेश्चन भी.
यस सर.
मैं करता हूं. ओएस सब सुनो, मैं करता हूं. आयुष तुम चेक करना कि मैंने आपने जो किया वो सही किया करके. मेरे को पता है कि जरूर आपने किया होगा. यू आर बंगाली इज इट आयुष?
Sir, Odisha.
ओरिया, ओरिया, ओके ओके. नाउ बाय मास रेशियो क्या होगा? 12:18 कर दिया. 12:18 कर दिया तो 6 कॉमन फैक्टर है. 6 2s are and 6 3s are. That means they are combining the ratio 2:3 by mass. 2u 3u. मैंने कहा है 32u of x is equal to 1 atom of x. तो 2 है ना यहां पर. सो 2 u है तो कितने एटम्स होंगे? 1/32 इंटू 2. या मैं सीधा कह सकता हूं 2/32, क्योंकि रेशियो बाय एटम्स के लिए मुझे क्या करना है? मैंने क्या कहा था? नंबर ऑफ एटम्स इक्वल टू वेट बाय एटॉमिक मास. कहा था कि नहीं? ओएस, रिहान, रक्षित, अब्दुल.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or answer me. Ois, you also. Is it right or wrong? Weight by atomic weight, right? So मैं यहां पर सीधा atomic weight x का क्या है? 32 है. So 2/32 कह सकता हूं. Yes. फिर मैं यहां पर लिख सकता हूं 3/16 कह सकता हूं. Yes or no, students?
Yes, sir.
लिख दिया मैंने. अब मैं क्या करता हूं? ये 16 वंजा है और ये 16 टूजा है.
Yes.
Yes or no? 16 वंजा है, 62 है, और ये 2 वंजर आ गया और ये 2 वंजर आ गया. तो 1:3 बाय एटम्स आ गया. 1:3 बाय एटम्स है तो क्या फॉर्मूला होगा? x y 3. आयुष यही आंसर निकला ना तेरा?
Yes, sir.
गुड बॉय। मैं जब तुम काम कर रहे थे तभी मेरे को पता चल गया था कि हाँ भाई ये सही रास्ते पे जा रहा करके। तुम्हारी जो सी बॉडी लैंग्वेज थी, इट वाज शोइंग दैट वेल यू हैव डन इट करके। ओए समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
रेहान,
Yes,
रक्षित,
sir.
सबको समझ में आ गया ना?
Yes, sir.
भाई ये एलिमेंट क्या है? ये एलिमेंट एक्स एक्चुअली सल्फर है और ये एलिमेंट जो सा है वो ऑक्सीजन है। तो फॉर्मूला कंपाउंड क्या है? SO3 सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड। एक और क्वेश्चन करें?
Yes.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन, एक और
Okay, sir.
क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन इसको। फिर बाद में जाएंगे बोर्ड के लिए स्कूल में कैसे करेंगे करके, ठीक है? SO3 हाउ? भाई एलिमेंट एक्स का एटॉमिक मास 32 है, सल्फर का ही एटॉमिक मास 32 होता है, ऑक्सीजन का ही एटॉमिक मास 16 होता है। तो एक्स क्या हुआ? सल्फर हुआ ना, वाई क्या हुआ? ऑक्सीजन हुआ ना, सो 3। अब ठीक है वैसे, अब मैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के चलता आपको देने वाला हूं एक क्वेश्चन, ये लिखो आंसर। राइट नाउ an element x and y, sorry, an element x, sorry, an element x hundred parts by weight combines with 100 parts by weight of y in India. In US, the weight of A of X is 0.001 parts, which combines with 0.001 part of Y are the compounds. Same. Also, determine the formula of the compound. Do it. Ask today's speed is okay to all. I hope I am
Yes.
not too slow also.
No, sir.
Atomic mass of X. Atomic mass of X. 32U. Y. 16U. I couldn't get you 1 minute. Are you able to do OS? Yes, 100 is to 100. Correct. Okay. Yes, correct. Good, 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 good. OS, you're done well. X is to Y. X is to Y. 100
1.
is to 100. 0.001 is to 0.001. So 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1. So X is to Y. Both the cases 1 is to 1. So 1 by 32 is to 1 by 16. Now, fractions cannot be there. Can I multiply both sides by 32? If I multiply both sides by 32, I can remove the fractions. Yes or no? That is the trick. So what will happen? 1 is to 2. Their formula is x1, y2. Formula is xy2. And both the compounds are same. So what is the actual compound name?
Sulfur dioxide.
Sulfur dioxide. Actually, this is how the chemical formulas came. Initially, before I was also born. Before I was also born. That's what happened. From there, afterwards, atomic structure came. After atomic structure, electronic configurations came. After electronic configurations, valencies came. From valencies came chemical formulas, which we do nowadays. See how the development was. This was old, very old. But this is how the development took place. And we should know, because these are common sense. As nowadays, they call it as reasoning nowadays. This is reasoning in chemistry. Now, OS, did you understand? I hope. Clear? Yes, OS? Okay. Done. Delete. I delete it. Nowadays, how do we prove? Or in the school, what will they say? Let us take up examples. Sulfur combines with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. What is the formula for sulfur dioxide? SO2. Ratio by mass and ratio by atoms. By atoms. 1 is to 2. Just now we did in a different manner. by mass. 32 is to 32. That is equal to 1 is to 1. So, by atoms, by mass, this is the ratio. This is for board examinations or school examinations. If they ask you, you should write like this. How? First definition. Whenever elements combine, they do so in a fixed proportion by mass or by atoms. So we write the formula and then write the ratio by mass and atoms. Why did I write 32 is to 32? Because in SO2, how many sulfurs are there? One sulfur.
Yeah.
Into 1. Oxygen, how much is there? 2
16.
into 16. That is equal to 32 is to 32, which is nothing but 1 is to 1 by mass. So for the board examinations or for the school examinations, what will you write? First definition. Then afterwards, this example. Your teacher will give 2 out of 2 positively. Can I go to the next one? Can I go to the next one, students?
Yes, sir.
Go to the next one. Deleting. Right on. Carbon is to oxygen. Carbon monoxide. Just now we did few minutes back. Now ratio by mass and ratio by atoms. Find out. So school का portion आसान है ना? ऐसा लिखना. मगर ये गलत है. भाई पहले फॉर्मूला आया था या पहले रेशियो बाय मास आया था? यस आयुष, रेहान, ओएस, पहले फॉर्मूला आया था या पहले रेशियो बाय मास आया था?
The first ratio by mass.
Ratio by mass came first, then formula came. Yes, answer.
By atoms 1 is to 1 and by mass 3 is to 4.
Let us see. Three is to 4. Ratio by atoms, 1 is to 1. Ratio by mass, 3 is to 4. Why is 3 is to 4? Because carbon atomic mass 12, oxygen atomic mass 16. So carbon is to oxygen 12 is to 16. Why carbon monoxide? So 4 3s are and 4 4s are. Therefore 3 is to 4 by mass and 1 is to 1 by atom. Done. अब कौन सा एग्जांपल लें हम? स्टूडेंट्स ले लो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. Nitrogen and oxygen combine to form nitrogen pentoxide. Nitrogen pentoxide formula is N2O5. This is also called dinitrogen pentoxide. OS, speed ठीक है OS? OS, speed ठीक है? Okay.
So what is nitrogen atomic mass?
क्या? Nitrogen atomic mass 14. Oxygen 16. Nitrogen atomic mass 14. अब्दुल, आप ही ने पूछा था ना अब्दुल?
Yes, sir. Yes.
अब भी जरा अपनी शक्ल दिखाओ एक मिनट। हाँ, अब ठीक है। रक्षित,
Yes, sir.
I would like to see your face here.
Okay, sir.
Camera on. Rehan. Near camera, I'm not able to see your face. Rakshit,
Yes,
तुम्हारा
sir.
forehead दिख रहा है मेरे को। अभी भी forehead दिख रहा है। हाँ, अब ठीक है। Good. Rehan. Okay, Rehan. OS. No. NH2O. 2:5 by atoms. By mass, 28:80. That is 7:20. By mass. Just 2 minutes. Okay. Ready, students? With this, today's class, we wind up. Next class, we'll have tomorrow. Okay, and I'm sure that today I can feel that all the students have done a good job. Law of constant proportion or definite proportion, we are clear about it. Okay? Can I stop the sharing of my PPT?
Yes, sir.
All of you? OS? Abdul?
Yes, sir.
Okay? That's it. So we stop the class here. I hope all of you understood. आयुष समझ में आ गया ना? Good.